Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove or delete a source in NotebookLM. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open NotebookLM in your web browser and open the notebook that contains the source you want to remove. If you're using the desktop version, the steps are exactly the same. Once your notebook opens, look at the left side of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This section contains all the documents, PDFs, Google Docs, websites, and other files you've added to the notebook. If you don't see the Sources panel, expand the sidebar or maximize your browser window. Now, find the source you want to remove. Click on the three dots next to it. From the menu, select Remove Source depending on the version of NotebookLM you're using. NotebookLM will ask you to confirm the deletion. Click Delete to remove the source from your notebook. Once you confirm, the source will immediately disappear from the Sources panel. From that point onward, NotebookLM will no longer use that document or link when generating summaries, answering questions, or creating new content for that notebook. If the source was imported from Google Drive, such as a Google Doc or Google Slides file, don't worry. Removing it from NotebookLM does not delete the original file from your Google Drive. It only removes the source from the current notebook. If you ever need the source again, you can simply import the same file or link back into the notebook at any time. And that's it. So that's basically how you can remove or delete a source in NotebookLM. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.